This drink will give you the craziest, extremist skin glow that you will have ever had, and you are absolutely gonna love the taste.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing my favorite drink, which is going to give you the craziest, extremist skin glow that you will have ever had. This is a beauty drink that you will absolutely love the taste of. It doesn't taste horrible. Surprisingly, it tastes so good to me, and I happily drink this every second day. So you only need a couple of ingredients, and I call this my ABC drink because it contains aloe vera, beetroot and carrot. There are a few things you can like give or take, but that is like the main recipe of my juice. So the reason that I came up with this juice is because after my holidays my skin looked really congested. I felt like it was just like my pores were clogged and I was breaking out here and there, and I also had dry skin. I just felt like my skin was dull. And even if you don't have any skin problems, this juice is so good for you. It is really gonna detox your system and cleanse your body. So it is like one that you cannot miss. So to make my juice, I use about 4 to 6 good carrots. So I love the carrots in Pakistan. They are so delicious and sweet, and carrots are great. They're packed with vitamin A, and we all know that vitamin A is retinol. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you will know that vitamin A is also known as retinol, and that really plumps up your skin and really fights wrinkles and fine lines. So other than the carrots, I use a whole beetroot, and beetroot really is power packed with nutrients. We've got zinc, magnesium, potassium. We've got so many good things in beetroot, which is gonna detoxify your body. And obviously when your gut is healthy, when your liver is healthy, it is gonna show up on your skin, and beetroot is gonna give our juice a beautiful red color, which is kind of scary to some people, but I love it. You know, foods with like a beautiful color attract me more than bland brown looking foods. So I use a whole beetroot, and aloe vera I extract by myself. So I've got like an aloe vera plant. In fact, I've got 5 or 6 aloe vera plants. Obviously it's me, you know, I'm obsessed with aloe vera, and I pretty much just extract the goodness of the aloe vera, and I use that in my juice. I do not process it through the juice processor. I just cut it up and I put it in my juice, like top it up on top of ice or whatever I'm putting in my juice. And I feel like the aloe vera is delicious. Aloe vera is so great because it contains hormones which actually help by going into your body and like healing your skin from within. It also helps protect your skin barrier, so even if you've got redness or your skin needs any soothing, you can use aloe vera. I've got an entire video on how you can extract aloe vera at home, so I will actually link that below as well for you guys. Now the optional things that you can include in your juice, which I actually do put in my juice if I'm feeling a bit extra, are apples. So apples are great. They are gonna add a sweet taste to your juice, and they're actually packed with collagen. So collagen is gonna really plump up your skin and give you that glow as well. If you're on a diet, you can use half an apple. I use a full apple, and honestly it gives me the yummiest juice ever. The other things I like to add are ginger and lemon. Now ginger and lemon are great as well for detoxifying. They're gonna strengthen your immune system and really give it a zing. It just feels so tropical after adding this. You can also add lime. And what else I add is pepper. So pepper is like, I don't know, it just makes it so perfect. This juice is so delicious. I have it in the morning after my breakfast, and it really has been giving me a glow. You can see that I'm not wearing makeup here, and my skin is absolutely radiant. So make sure you try my extreme glow skin drink. This is a beauty drink that you cannot miss. It is so different to the ones that I've seen online, and it is so delicious. Please share it. Give my video a 10,000 likes. I don't know if it will get to 10,000 likes, but if it does, guys, I'm going to be sharing some more weight loss drinks, which I'm actually using right now because I'm trying to get back to my pre-pregnancy weight. So wish me luck on that, and on that note, I'm going to sign off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.